Hello, I'm gonna explain about my project. It's called Bus Reservation System. I write this course on Div C++ version 5.11. So I'm gonna explain line by line. So from first to fifth line is about importing libraries, stdio, stdlib, bring, conio, Windows, and then for this part is just defining the variables, character ch, array 6, length 130 for the same as name, for array 100 length, number, num1, tr null, bus, name number, booking, and etc. Set color for defining the function call to change text color. Word v color to handle is needed to get the current background attribute. Handle part std out to output handle, std output handle. Console screen buffer info csbi we use for v attributes word, and this part get console screen buff, get csbi mascot all for background into the foreground, and then clear console colors, finding fork C and integer back C. We color equals to back C and 0x 0f lesser than 4. It means get the handle the current output buffer from take the last 4 bits and shift 4 to the left to fork C, and coordination 0 0, that means return value, and the word count, this part is containing the console info. The SBI use here, find the size of console, get console, set console text attribute, hstd out, v color here is the current color, and fill console output character for here fills a buffer with a given character in case it's 32 space, and for here this will set our cursor position for the next print statement. Then set color and background is integer proxy and backc, and I explained this before in same meaning as line 36. So take the last 4 bits of backc and shift to the left of fork C, then separate them again and combine the value as this. Then this part is coordinating int x and int y of go to xy. So for coordination x equals x and y equals y. Then work into the program. Then here, the one of the most important thing about my project, drawing the rectangle. So I will compile the program first. So that's my program, and defining int I and j. Here go to xy x equals 24, y equals 2. So we're going to write print C character 201, which means we want to print something on x24 and y2, which is 201. This is ASCII number. Let's check on the table. 201 means as a corner here, and we write I of the 78, and we manage both xy, and we write 205, which equals to 205 as a line. So we write this, then we add 78 of equal, let's say. So we write this line, but not yet of this corner. So it must be 187. 187 as a corner. We can see is this. So that's how you can make the rectangle. You write here first, then we go down here, and we draw this part, and we finally make this vertically line. So we draw the outline of the rectangle, but also we need to make the inside of the another rectangle. So we add horizontally line at center, then we add vertical line to divide two rectangle. So this part is the main menu. User will see here to select whatever he wants to do in this menu. Then the new menu appears here and work everything in here. So I'll explain here. This code is the left wall of the rectangle, middle divider of the rectangle. It means this. And it will go like that. And here, clear window object to do the cleaning of 600 to 100. 600 to 100 here. 600 to 100 here, which means X line, and from 960 to 100 this line, and then 9 to 27 in this line. So it will clean this area without these part. It will give you empty string to clean every time whenever you call clear window. So making window line, draw rectangle, set color 28, and write on welcome to bus reservation system. But we use 45 to the right and 4 to down. It will start from here. The set color will be 28, which means red here, and make this window. Then we make the main class all draw rectangle and window, and we make the same color, and the program will do writing of this line until here. Then it will call a user to write something, and it will do switch case and gauge. So which means here switch the number in case 1, case give break, case 2 give break, case 3 until the end, which means it will come to gauge. And if it's not selected any, and if it's not equal to 5, the program will be done. So we give info, thank you for using the system, and it will get means it will close. For bus object, it will clean window first, then create file, and as record, the name is record, and it will write inside given info about this database, which means we don't click actually inside of any number, so it will give you empty string. So printf equals 1 percent %s means we go to this array and take the string from inside, but we define this at the beginning of the code. ch Cardiff Express, this is ch0, ch1, ch2, ch3, ch4. Yeah, until ch4. So it will close the file and return. Let's see. We write 1, we'll see until new port, and we'll go back through the main page. So it will be the book tickets, which is booking object, and we call bus again here, and below bus it will be enter of the bus number written, and it will get the string and call the tr_no clear window and write status1 tr_no and open the file for f1, and it will create character integer, and if tr_no equals 1, then it will open tr1 text file and write inside in it and close it. If it's 2, we'll get the information and close the file. Until 5 it's gonna be like that. Then seat1 equals I str1, which means convert string into number. If seat1 less equal than 0, that means the system has no bus, no seat in the bus, or else it will be written on the right menu, available seats, number of tickets, enter seat number, enter the name of the person. Let's see. You click on 2. By the way, before empty, we didn't choose anything in it. Or maybe I will close the program, I delete all, I will compile and run again. Let's see. There's nothing in it. So we choose 1 and record file, give empty string, because we said don't write anything inside. Then we click number 2, still nothing in it. So we choose 1. We create number 1, status 1 as nothing inside, because we said give empty string inside. Then let's go back to program. I have explained until tr5, and I will show you how it works. For name number, it will create character temp str, and it will create file A and B. Then do the string cat num str txt, which means will concatenate the following nums str strings to the file. I will explain as example. It's also the same. It will do the two strings at the end of the first one, which means that's the last and the first. So it will add two strings from numstr to the tempstr1. So here, open file, tempstr1 as A, str2 for A also. It's just gonna take the number and write inside the txt file. For here also, it will count how many booking we have, and then every time if there is booking, the number will decrease one. You write name, the number will decrease one, and we'll close the file A and B. For read number also the same. We do the strcat to the text file, open a file for tempstr2, then check the file A until the end, and if it's identify the stream on operation to be performed, and it will write empty string inside of the text file. For rename also the same meaning the program will do. For status, right click Windows, draw rectangle to see the rectangle, and let's see the booking part. Also file. Okay, we are in the Cardiff Express, which we clicked one. It will tell you available seats all empty. Number of tickets is 1. Seat number is 5. The person name is Engin. Total booking amount is 200. So for let's go back to the previously we did. Will tell you 7 because we bought this ticket, and if you buy again, number is 6, person name, then we done. For status, which means fourth line, it will tell you to enter the bus number. It will get the information from, then it will go through the TR Then after it will tell you how many string we have. We have here 9, but we use 8 of them. We are making this loops, so it will start from 0 to J, and it will string copy the num1 and name, then create 2 column. Okay, let's go 4. It will tell you the number of bus. We work on 1. We create two row, 2 column, and it will add 4 row like this, which means it will first add the line, then it will add 4 later to see clearly. And for here, the important thing is I don't want to write everything in one line, which means 1 to 8 gonna be one line. So I want some design in it. I go to the another line to see clearly. So we bought two of them. That's how it works. For two user here, Engin Can. So status 1, we are on status 1, and the database will tell us two username. And also number means seat. The fifth seat and sixth seat has been bought. The program is saying for tier 1, six seat left. That's how we conquer the information from program. It's kinda easy creating database. For cancel, it will create here we define integers seed underscore no I and j, character num str length of 100, temp str 15, and also other one is 15 for number and status. So the idea about cancel, the user will select cancel, and if they want to change something in it, it will come, the program come to database and delete these information and make them empty. So here we'll go to numstr, we'll go to tempstr, open the file and make this string, which is num1. This num1 as empty, and for name also empty here. And then after that, it will go through the program and it will change engine to empty. It will change the string only. Then close the file A and B, and it will tell you your 200 rupees has been returned. Okay, let's cancel. We work on pulse number 1. We delete the user engine, and money has been returned. And we go through the status. Before that, I want to show this one was previously, and one was previously, one is current. So it will delete this and write the last information. Let's also delete the other one. You see, it's empty now. So we delete, we go through cancel, go bus number and seat number 6. It's also deleted. So let's check bus status. All empty. Okay. I also want to show tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. So I just need to go through to buy one ticket from them. So the last part, buy one ticket. So let's check the file here. Tier 2, tier 3, 7, tier 4, 7. These are all 7. So let's check the number, must be 5, because we are buying this seat 5. So the seat number gonna be 5 and seat name gonna be Engin. 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 So this is my program, how it works. And the last step, I'm gonna show get here. We click 5. It will tell you, thank you for using system, and the program has been done. Thank you.